We are Sophie and Hannah, and we are business owners of Spectrum Collections makeup brushes.
Time we took you to our new office, we just thought you'd like to see it.
Glass. We're excited about the glass cube.
This is going to be our new HQ. Yeah.
Can you guess what colour it's going to be? I'll give you one guess.
You just ruined my shot.
As long as it keeps tidy, I'm happy.
Fully topped up on our caffeine fix. I'm quite topped up now, are you?
No.
It doesn't look like much yet, but it will do.
So let's go and show you what we're doing.
Hey everyone, this is social distancing.
Yeah.
This time we took you to our new office, we just thought you'd like to see it before it all gets finished. This is it in its current state, so it's a bit rough around the edges, but aren't we all?
Especially in lockdown. But this, so our unit is from here, and it pretty much goes all the way as far as you can see at the moment.
Woo!
Not quite that big, but we'll show you inside in a sec. But for now, this is going to be our new HQ.
Yes, and me and you are going to be in there,
Yeah.
ordering our Academy coffee from right by there.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're literally going to be buzzing.
Yeah.
All 24 hours a day like that.
Fully topped up on our caffeine fix.
I'm quite topped up now, are you?
No.
Just kidding, just you. Alright, that's fine about this then. Let's go. Should we show the office?
Yeah. Have a look.
After you. Hey, voila. It doesn't look like much yet, but it will do. Eventually it's going to be really nice. We're going to be able to sit on our little bench out here doing a bit of emailing.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, there's going to be some signage up there and everything like that, but we'll leave you to have a nose really, because at the moment it's not that pretty, but eventually it's going to be very pink, very marbly. You just ruined my shot. And yeah, everything that you'd expect from Spectrum really,
Yeah.
Spectrum HQ. And then you won't be there today because it's actually not built yet, but we are having our very own shop down that end in a shipping container. Yeah.
Also, we'll let you have a little look at the rough and ready.
Yeah, we'll leave you to it because we can't all go on there at one go. So yeah, you guys get
Hi everyone!
We're back.
We are back. So it's 2 weeks since we were last on site, and loads has happened.
Yeah, I know. Hold on, 2 weeks has gone nowhere. So obviously a lot's been going on here. I haven't done anything in 2 weeks.
No.
Well, I say that, just emails, Groundhog Day every day.
I know. Well, 2 weeks is like loads has happened here anyway.
Yeah,
even if we've done
it's all
nothing.
gone on here.
Yeah. So all the rooms are kind of starting to take shape now. There's plastering going on. So we thought we would just do a little walkthrough with you guys and show you what area is going to be happening in what.
Yeah, because there's some walls up now, so we can actually see what's going to be what.
Yeah.
And where we're doing what. So let's go and show you what we're doing. So this is going to be our studio. I was going to say photography studio, but it's going to be an everything studio.
Yeah.
Everything's going to go on in here.
Makeup tutorials, probably do some makeup masterclasses, some Insta Lives, YouTube.
Yeah.
Photo shoots.
Yeah.
We've got loads of natural light as well. Massive.
It's absolutely massive.
Huge.
We said last time, I think, that we've never had a photography studio before. So this is like an absolute luxury. It means we can do photo shoots here in Barry rather than having to schlep all the way to London and rent a studio up there and get everyone to London. We can get everyone to Barry instead. So that is our plan. Yeah. I love it. I love it. Can't wait. And it's going to have a pink floor, white walls, and then we're just going to try our best to keep it nice and tidy so it's not full of crap. Let's go.
So this is the kitchen, and it's all going to be on this one wall here. So you can come out the studio, make your cup of tea, get a caffeine fix, go back in, work harder.
Get your work done, yeah. Can you guess what colour it's going to be? I'll give you one guess. Pink, yes.
Yeah, it's basically this colour pink, slightly pink. So there we are. Can't wait.
Literally pink. 2 microwaves so you can microwave your lunch. Nice little seating area there, so you can just chill. And then yeah, the rest is just going to be like, I mean, it's quite a lot of space really. That's just going to lead down to our toilets and a bit of storage, isn't it? So we won't bother going down there. Yeah. But it's going to be very pink. So pink kitchen, pink floor. Probably throw a bit of pink somewhere else. Yeah, it's going to be nice.
As long as it keeps tidy, I'm happy.
This is all the like entrance, and we're gonna have like a meeting table for like our catch-ups and like creative sessions where we talk about new ranges and ideas. So it's all gonna be like little zones, isn't it?
Yeah, this is going to be a really like nice area as well. We're going to have like a gallery wall, I think, by here. That's what we said, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Losing track now. Yeah, like a bit of a table, sit-down creative space.
Yeah.
It's kind of like all of this here really is going to be our breakout space, creative space, studio, and coffee fit.
On this wall here, we're gonna have some like booth seating.
Yeah.
With like a little table, so you can just, it's more of like a breakout zone if you want to do a bit of catch up on your emails or have like a little
Take a
mini
phone call.
meeting. Yeah, so that's just gonna be there. So it's kind of the first thing you see as you walk in. So obviously that's gonna be pink as well.
Yeah, some pink like velvet seating situation going in there. I think it's 2 booths, so it's going to have like a little cute, like a bit of a cafe vibe.
Yeah,
I suppose, isn't it?
yeah, cute. And then
Yeah.
we'll probably just put some more storage down here. So you can have room enough storage.
We were going to knock this wall out, but we decided to keep it because we can effectively have another little area by there, we said, didn't we? Because it's nice because you've got a little window, you've got the wall, and we would just maybe, we're not sure what we're going to do there yet, but we thought we could even put some like standing desks or like, I don't know really, just TBC, but there's going to be something cute.
So this space is the main workspace really. So it's all going to be open plan, and then these boards are going to be taken off, and then that will go through into the glass cube. The cube.
The glass cube.
The cube.
The glass cube.
Glass
We're
cube.
excited about the glass cube.
This is all going to be open plan desking, because when we're all together as a team, we just like working together in the same space because we're really social, and lots of the teams like cross over with their day-to-day work. So it's just nice that everyone's in the same space and everyone's able to just work hard and have a bit of a chat at the same time, really.
Makes it easier when they're doing a tea round as well, because they say to them all the tea and everyone's like,
Yeah. The very important team.
apart from me and you, we're going to be all the way up here, so we'll have to like, oh,
Yeah.
tea.
We'll have to have a little intercom. Tea, please.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure there's still time to slap through in a loudspeaker.
Oh yeah, we're on the sound system as well. So we're going to have different areas of music, so we're going to have like 4 separated sound things, aren't we?
Yeah, speakers.
That's it, speakers, not sound things. You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
So we can play music.
We can play music.
Yeah. And order tea.
And order tea. We'll have to have a soundtrack that says, when we want a tea, a certain soundtrack comes on that just says, "May we need tea?" Please.
Yeah.
And then this is what we're calling our nest, where the 2 birds live.
The bird's nest.
Bird's nest. For the pikeys, because Pikecraft, our surname, actually is like, it means magpies. So
It's related, yeah, magpies are like our crest.
they're our spirit animal, aren't they?
Yeah. So this is a bird's nest.
Yeah.
And then this is where this is our domain, isn't it, basically?
Yeah, we don't know what's going to be in here yet. We haven't planned it, but we know that we're going to have a malachite print floor, perfectly inspired by the Ivy in Manchester.
Yeah.
That we were obsessed with when we went there one time. Drank about 10 cocktails each. I can't remember anything else apart from the floor.
Yeah, the floor is amazing. So
Floor
we're
is
going to have a malachite floor, probably pink walls,
Yeah, why not?
pink everywhere else.
Pink everywhere else. Pink ceiling, I don't know.
Yeah.
Fairy wall.
And then, like we said the other week, our favourite coffee shop is literally out that window.
There it is.
So we can, well, when we're not playing our tea soundtrack, we can open that window and go, oh, coffee.
Oh, Jan. 2 flat whites please there. Coconut milk, thank you. Should be
So
lovely.
that's the best part of this whole thing. And we can just open the window and smell the coffee. Keep us going.
And it's quite nice. I've just noticed that the windows are quite high, so when we
Yeah.
are sat at our desks, we'll technically be like,
Yeah.
so no one can really see us. That's nice.
Yeah, I thought that. Yeah. No one will be able to like peer in. So yeah, that's kind of a rundown as it stands at the moment, really, isn't it?
Yeah, I think next time we might, depending if those walls are gone, we might be able to walk into the glass cube. Did we say we've got a glass cube? Did you know that?
There is a delay on the glass cube. The glass for the cube is delayed. So hopefully next time we can show you the actual cube, because inside the cube is going to be more desk space, and we're going to have a closed off glass meeting room as well. So yeah.
And a big neon and yeah, I don't know what else, but I think inside the glass cube is the only bit where we're going to have like some original brick.
Yeah.
But we are going to like paint it white, but it's still going to be really nice. It's
Yeah.
great. It's a really old building.
It's industrial, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah. So that'll have a bit of a more industrial vibe, whereas everything else is going to be pink and gold and a little bit of white just to lighten it up, and it's going to be lush. Can't wait for you to see it as it progresses.
Yes, there's been a lot of progress.
Already.
We've been cracking the whip and they've been working out.
Well, we haven't. They've been cracking
I
the
know,
whip
we
on
haven't
us.
really. They
Like,
just say,
girls, you need to order your pink kitchen. Okay.
done it. And then they're like, girls, you happy with this? I'm like, yeah, looks great, thanks, crack on,
Yeah.
basically. So
We're very easily pleased, but we know what we want. So, yeah. See you soon, and we'll show you how it's progressing and becoming more
weeks-ish.
pink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't wait.
Ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao.